how to change the voice in Fliki AI. In order to select the voice in Fliki AI, first open the app or you can open the website and make sure you are logged in. And once you have confirmed that, you have variety of options that you can choose from. Most likely you are going to be using a video, you are going to be creating a video or creating audio. You can also generate the thumbnail. Now for now you are probably going to do one of those two things. Either you can create an idea or you can start with an empty file, because it will be easier to demonstrate this. Before I do, I'll just mention that you can change the voice to your own voices by using the voice clone right here. Click on it and you can generate the voice clone from here. But for now, let us go to home and tap on empty. Now enter the file name. Now once you enter it, tap on next. Select the aspect ratio from here and tap on skip. Now tap on submit. Now you are going to see that you have a blank project page right here. Now you are going on the left hand side. You can add audio from here. Now you are going to click this, and then once you click here in the scene 1, you will get the voiceover. As you can see, it's already generated voice. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will get a lot of voices. Choose the one you like this. Now once you choose it, tap on select. And that's it. You have just selected voice in Fliki AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.